welcome guys. This is a very interesting segment where I get a really nice brain activity challenge. Okay, so the doctor has sent me an activity where I have to name 5 fruits or vegetables without the letters A or E in it. Okay, orange definitely has it. Apple, onion 1, grapes, no. Pumpkin 2, yeah. Bananas, no. It's okay, no, it's very hard. You try it and do let me know how it was. I think I need to feed myself more memory food. Just for that reason, I'm gonna cook with celery today. I have a celery and tomato based orecchiette. Okay, you don't need any fancy equipment, just a nice bowl, a nice pot of water, lot of love, and some really fresh ingredients. Okay, the first step I'm gonna start off with is semolina. Next up, T55 flour. This is 55% burnt, so the grains get burnt, and this got 55% burnt ash content. That's why it's called T55. I have about 3 egg yolks here. Just go in one by one. Add 1 whole egg in this. Here we go. Goes in the olive oil. Guys, this looks pretty done. No, I forgot to add the salt. I need more of this food every day now. Just the good old knead. I'm gonna bring it out on the table and give it a nice knead. Now, the trick for a good pasta is layers. You wanna keep folding it, keep folding it. Even when you're rolling it, you wanna keep folding the pasta again and again. That's how it becomes lighter, that's how it's become fluffier, and a lot more tastier. So guys, this dough looks pretty good. I'm gonna rest it in the fridge for 2 hours. And every time you want to cook it, try and take it out at least half an hour before cooking so that it's nice and soft and easy to work with. Guys, this looks pretty done. I am gonna make a very interesting shape. It's called orecchiette. I'm gonna show you a very simple, easy way of doing it. Press, maybe a little smaller, and roll. Just work on it. It's better to be kneaded. Guys, for dusting, it's nicer to use semolina because like I said, it takes in all the texture and stays nice and crunchy. Now the easiest thing to do is cut, slide. Right. This is the perfect size you want for this. Now, just gonna go, get shaped in a nice ball. So the more you do it, you'll get an idea of the exact sizes, exact weights of this. And usually ends up being a little more quicker. Now these little balls are ready. We're gonna shape them. Just go press it in, anti-clockwise twice, pick it up, intent, and there we have. Press twice, intent, and there we have. So guys, now it's time for a beautiful celery, tomato and sun-dried tomato sauce with my olive oil. In goes the onion, followed by a little garlic. Now goes our superfood, celery. It's so high in folate. It's got a compound called luteolin. It really improves your memory. Fresh tomatoes. This is gonna cook for about 10 minutes. Till then, I'm gonna chop my sun-dried tomatoes. I just want a good rough chop. It's absolutely fine. Good, nice toss. And you know, when you get the sun-dried tomatoes, the best part of them is this oil. It's got so much flavor. It's got such good seasoning. And let this cook at a low heat for about 10 minutes. You only want the flavors to come together. This looks pretty done. Water is also boiling. Blanch my pasta very, very quickly. See, now this pasta has gone dry because I left it outside for a little while. It's gonna hold shape better in boiling water now. So just very gently, this goes in. This would be about 4 minutes. I'm gonna season my sauce now quickly with salt and pepper. And a final toss. Just a little taste. My favorite part of cooking. This tastes really nice. I'm going to check on the pasta now. Pasta is done now. That's gonna come out of the water. Go straight in the pan. So guys, a good toss. I'm gonna switch off the gas now. It's pretty done. I'm gonna finish this with some basil. Just wanna roughly slice this. Final toss. We're gonna do a good serving of Parmesan with this. This dish brings out a lot of lovely memories. I'm gonna finish it right now. You go have a quick recap.
In a bowl, add semolina, T55 flour, egg yolks, 1 whole egg and olive oil. Add salt and make a dough. Leave the dough to rest in a refrigerator for 2 hours. Cut the dough into pieces. Roll it out by dusting semolina and cut it into small pieces. Shape the pieces into small balls and flatten them with your thumb. In a pan, add olive oil, chopped onion, garlic, celery, tomatoes and toss it. Now add roughly chopped sun-dried tomatoes in the pan and toss it. Add sun-dried tomato oil in the mixture and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Add salt and black pepper. In a pan, boil some water and add the pasta to blanch for 4 minutes. Now take the blanched pasta out from the water and add it into the mixture and toss it well. Add chopped basil sprigs, garnish with Parmesan cheese and serve.
Now guys, that was some episode with a lot of brain power. Keep watching for fun recipes and please keep sending me your brain teasers and brain twister challenges on the address below. Keep watching for more fun recipes. Fit and fast, fuel your brain.